Alright everyone, today our is a tax session 2 and tax, and here is the almost 15 question is using if else statement, and already we learned it. So our is the basic tax, so I just create a video, so I hope you find it helpful. So here is the question 1, problem 1, problem 2, problem 3, problem 4, problem 5, problem 6. There is the 15 problem, so you just try to your own self and try to solve it all question. I hope you can do it, or if you feel any struggle, I will share solving answer if you feel trouble in anything, but I feel that's you can do easily. I just share the link in comment. So bye, this is the short information.